So this is how we do this integral. We have x over parentheses x plus 1 inside, and then we have the square here. We do not need partial fractions because a simple u sub actually will do the job. We will let u equal the inside, just x plus 1. And then real quick, you see that on the top we have the x, so we can subtract 1 from both sides. X is equal to u minus 1. And looking at this, differentiate both sides, we see dx is the same as du. Now we can go to the u world. We get the integral, x is u minus 1. Over here is the u. Square that, and dx is the same as du. And then right here we can split the fractions. We have u over u squared minus 1 over u squared. Then reduce. This right here is the same as 1 over u. And for this right here, I'm going to write it as u to the negative 2 power. And then integrate it with the reverse power rule right here. But this, the first one, will give us natural log of u. And put an absolute for u around here. And then minus, let's go ahead and add 1 to the power. We get negative 1 divided by the new power. So this right here becomes plus, and then we have u to the negative 1 power, which is 1 over u. And I will write this down before I put down the plus c. This is ln absolute value x plus 1 plus 1 over x plus 1, all done, plus c. That's it.